Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Just wanted to show you a really awesome trailer. This is made by Jayco, a company that's been around for, gosh, over 53 years. They got a full 2-year warranty bumper to bumper on these trailers. That's just one thing to keep in mind while I'm showing you this excellent trailer. It's a Rocky Mountain edition. This is the 287 bunkhouse. If you've got a few extra family members to sleep, this might be something that would do the trick for you. Really fantastic floor plan. Come on in and check it out. As you notice right here, you have a private master bedroom, and you've got a lot of spots to put your clothing, your devices, your CPAP. Everything that you really need is right in there, all in a nice private room. A lot of people like this, and I know it's simple, it's just coat hooks, but how nice is it to walk in the trailer, have a place to throw your coats or your hats, have a place to sit down, take your shoes off, maybe throw them in this box. Really a neat feature. All your entertainment system is right here, everything that you need to get going. If you notice here, there's a wonderful couch, very comfortable, more of a high-end look. This actually folds out into a bed where you can sleep a few people. Very nice matching dinette. It's in a super slide, so it's nice and big. You can put several people around here. Some people even bring a folding chair or two so they can sit a few people here and play cards or have more people for dinner, which is nice. Check out this kitchen. Now, a lot of people like the double sink because you can rinse and wash, and in this case you have that ability, but you also have enough clearance here with the sprayer that you can wash bigger pots and pans, which I think is a nice thing. As a big family, you usually have big pots and pans and dishes. Love the pantry, because look at all this space that you have for food right here. Even more nice and deep, and this is more of a closet area here, little drawers here that you could use as a dresser. And then look up here, you've got a nice little ladder that comes down, so it's very easy for the kids to get up, and you could sleep a couple kids up here no problem, sleep a few in the bottom. There's actually a little privacy curtain here as well. Really nice way to sleep, people. And by the way, these teddy bear bunk mattresses are very comfortable, very comfortable. Now look right here, this is what a lot of people like when they have kids. They like the fact that the bedroom or the bathroom has a door where they can enter and exit out of the bathroom, so they're not traipsing through the whole trailer. They can just come in and out and use the restroom and go right back out again, and that way if mom's making sandwiches or resting, nobody's being inconvenienced or bothered. Nobody's traipsing dirt through, anything like that. This is a fantastic trailer. We've got several of these in lots of different floor plans. I know we got the perfect one for your family. This one might be it. So give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.